The Lucas re-railing equipment is prepared. The men that make up the small, specialized team operate well together. This is essential amongst the members of a breakdown train. Speed and precision are the name of the game. Set the jack, keep a safe distance, supply power to the jack. Safety is the utmost priority. The sleepers, which are positioned in a wedge-shaped layer, also ensure safety. Should, during the critical upright phase, a lifter slip off or a rope break, this safety pile absorbs the weight. A lifting belt with a load-bearing capacity of 40 tons is used to upright the wagon. The lifting belt is positioned onto the tank wall so that the slings turn away from the tank wall. The bottom end of the belt is inserted underneath the sole bar facing the ground. The bottom end of the belt is fastened to the elevated sole bar. The top end of the belt is secured to the vehicle in order to prevent falling. Lifting can now commence. First of all, a 25-ton telescopic jack is positioned on the appropriate rope sling of the lifting belt. This lifts the wagon high enough for a 40-ton claw jack with a stroke of 800 millimeters to be inserted. The jack needs to be replaced once more until the tilting position has been reached. With this task, each and every movement demands strength and concentration. First of all, the wedge-shaped safety pile of sleepers is increased so that the tank is resting on it, yet the jack is still used in its loaded condition. A second claw jack is positioned on a lower sling. First of all, position the tilting plate, align the jack, and extend the lifter such that the extended first jack becomes free. Remove jack number 1 in its extended condition, then take the lifter away and retract. The vehicle can now be lifted further. Bit by bit, the tank wagon gradually reaches the tilting position. Wooden blocks on the track prevent the wheels from sinking into ballast and the vehicle from falling over. We have now reached the tilting position. Fast, reliable and safe work. Now the wagon needs to be re-railed. The re-railing bridge, the area of operation for roller carriages and traversing jack, is pushed in underneath the headstock. Position the roller carriage. Mount the traversing jack. Attach the gliding plates. Connect the black hose to the locking jacks. Couple the red and blue pair of hoses to the traversing jack. Place the jack with base plate onto the roller carriage and align centrally underneath the headstock. Lifting, locking and traversing jack are connected to the control desk via the high-pressure hoses. A thin wood or rubber inset is positioned onto the piston head to prevent it from slipping. Start jack. A watchful eye from a safe distance. Shift precisely and carefully lower. Once the other side has been re-railed in the same way, the wagon is marked for the obligatory test in the workshop. Considering the enormous transport capacity of the German railway, the number of times a breakdown train has to come to the rescue is impressively low. However, the the work isn't all